Hey guys, Jason here with CDR Crypto, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best way to keep your cryptocurrency recovery seeds safe with the unhackable offline storage seed protector, the XSEED Plus by SecuX. We've all heard the horror stories about people getting their cryptocurrency seed phrases stolen or compromised by online attackers, scammers, hackers, accidental fires, and running water. So to keep my coins safe, I wanted to check out the new stainless steel XSEED Plus seed protector by SecuX. With the rapidly increasing rate of online scams, hackers, wildfires, and floods, it's highly important to keep your cryptocurrency seed phrase safe from all these potential threats. With stainless steel technology, the XSEED Plus is completely waterproof and proven to withstand rain showers, hurricanes, tsunamis, and even coffee spills. The durable stainless steel sheets can also resist fire and temperatures as high as 2,649 degrees Fahrenheit. I used to store my recovery seed phrase on a paper wallet, but I hear they're not that good with water and fire. Luckily, I just received my brand new hack-proof, waterproof, and fireproof XSEED Plus seed protector in the mail, so let's open it up and see what all the hype is about. So here's the XSEED Plus box. The first thing I noticed is that it's a lot heavier than I was expecting, but it is filled with stainless steel items, so I guess the unassuming looking box threw me off. On the front, we got our XSEED Plus and our SecuX logos. Looks like we have nothing on the sides. And on the back here, looks like we have a description of the XSEED Plus and everything else that's in the box. So now let's take off this outer plastic here and see what's all inside. There we go. Now doesn't that look elegant? So let's check out this black box here. From the weight of it, it feels like my stainless steel cards are held in here. And voila! Here's my aluminum and stainless steel seed cards, my Bespoke card holder for safekeeping, my Engraver pen for writing my seed phrase on the aluminum sheet, and the instructions for stamping and engraving your seed phrase onto the sheets. So let's take a look at the aluminum and stainless steel sheets. We have our 3 stainless steel ones here, 1 aluminum, and of course our SecuX security stickers. I'm definitely liking the way the stainless steel sheets feel, almost like having an indestructible metal credit card. These are 1.5mm stainless steel sheets and extremely durable. So let's see what else we have in our XSEED Plus box here. Whatever this is, it's definitely what's making the box so heavy. And it looks like it's our steel letter punch set. We have a steel rod for each letter of the alphabet, which we'll use to punch in our seed phrase into the stainless steel sheets. So now that we've gone through all the items in the package, let's see if setting up the XSEED Plus is really as fast and easy as they say it is. If we look at the bottom flap of the box here, we can see instructions for engraving on the aluminum sheet and how to stamp the stainless steel sheets. So let's start by taking out our engraver pen and see how it works on the aluminum sheet. The aluminum sheet feels pretty durable, but definitely not as thick as the stainless steel. So let's take off this little red cap here and see how the engraver pen works. When using the engraver pen, you're gonna have to press in pretty hard to make the letters appear. It almost feels like you're writing on a scratch-off lottery ticket. When writing your seed phrase on the aluminum sheet, don't expect to have perfect penmanship. You're trying to engrave the letters into aluminum, so don't expect it to be perfect. As you can see, using the engraver pen, I was easily able to engrave my example word into the aluminum sheet. But if you're thinking about purchasing the XSEED Plus, you're probably most excited about the stainless steel sheets. These are the 1.5mm stainless steel sheets that has a really solid feel to them. I really like the size, which is about the size of a business card, and the sleek polished metal look. With the stainless steel sheets, instead of using the engraver pen, your seed phrase will have to be stamped in. So let's pull out my steel punch set and find the letters I need to use for my example word. To stamp my letters, I'm also gonna need my trusty hammer. If you look on the bottom of the labeled bars here, you'll be able to see the letter that you're stamping. When stamping your letters, try to line everything up as good as you can and hit it with one good strike. It may take you a while, but you're gonna go through this process for every letter of every word. But for time's sake, let's just check out my test word here. As you can see, I kinda messed up stamping my E. I made the mistake of hitting it multiple times and not exactly in the same location. But it was a learning experience, and I think the rest of the letters turned out okay. Also, make sure you have a flat, hard surface when stamping your letters. I'll recommend maybe a flat piece of wood or a piece of metal because I actually cracked this piece of tile here. So it wouldn't be a good idea to stamp your cards on your brand new tile floor. With multiple backups, XSEED offers storage for 8 wallets with up to 12 recovery words each, or 4 wallets with 24 recovery seeds. You can also use the SecuX stickers here to seal 2 cards together to make them tamper-proof. Overall, I'd say this is an excellent way to keep your cryptocurrency recovery seeds safe. While everybody else is losing their cryptocurrency to hackers and wildfires, you'll be able to sleep well knowing your cryptocurrency is safe with the XSEED Plus. So if you're looking for a way to keep your cryptocurrency recovery seed completely safe from online hackers and the more dangerous elements in nature, I definitely recommend checking out the XSEED Plus by SecuX. If you're ready to protect your seed phrase with the XSEED Plus, head over to the SecuX online shop at shop.secuxtech.com and use the promo code CDRCrypto at checkout to get 15% off your entire order. I'll also add a direct link to the XSEED Plus in the video description. If you enjoyed the video and like to hodl cryptocurrency, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.